What are trading sessions in currency markets? The currency market is a busy place, never truly closing its doors. Imagine a giant, bustling marketplace, open all day, every day, but with different vendors working specific hours. That's the world of Forex trading sessions. Unlike most stores, the currency market operates 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. This means you can potentially trade whenever it fits your schedule. But there's a catch. The currency market is spread across different geographical regions, each with its own trading session. Sydney, evening session. This is when Asian markets wake up and trading kicks off. Tokyo, Asian session. As the sun rises in Asia, trading activity picks up here. London, European session. Overlap with Europe creates the busiest and most volatile trading period. New York, North American session. Another period of high activity as America joins the trading day. Why sessions matter? Each session has its own economic focus and trading style. For example, the London session might see more activity in European currencies, while the New York session focuses on US pairs. Pick a session that aligns with your preferred currency pairs and volatility. Remember, as a beginner, it's wise to start slow and focus on understanding the markets before diving in all day. Bonus tip: check a Forex market time converter to see which sessions overlap with your local time zone. Stay tuned for more trading basics and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.